Hi there, my name is Daniel, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the EPEX factory. Here, we will learn about the people who make the contactless economy go, and the step-by-step process of manufacturing vending machines, from production to transportation and beyond. Over 20,000 vending machines are produced on this assembly line every single year, before they are shipped all over the world to make your life and mine more convenient. Our professional R&D team is at the core of our guarantee to produce exceptional products. With its automated production system, professional frontline production staff, and with the assistance of intelligent systems, not to mention thorough manual inspection, EPEX's quality control sets the industry standard. Now, they are hard at work loading up the cargo. Can you guess where these machines will end up? EPEX is an important R&D, production, and sales base for intelligent vending machines all across the world. Their aim is to be a leader in the transformation of the vending machine industry, furthering the innovation of traditional retail formats.